Hey guys, so today I want to review and swatch the new Anastasia glow kits. I have the Moonchild one and I also have Sweets. So we'll start with Moonchild. As you can see, this is rectangular as opposed to square because there is 6 pans in it as opposed to the usual 4. So when you open it up, you can see that there is some different colors in it. So there's some pinks, greens, blues, and purples. Definitely not your average highlighters, but I think that's what makes this palette unique. I will get into swatching these. The first one is called Blue Eyes, and this is supposed to be a diamond white with an icy blue reflect. So as you can tell, it definitely looks white, and it is definitely icy. Very pretty. The next one is called Star, and it is a moonstone fusion of mint, platinum, and silver reflect. The next one is called Purple Horseshoe. It's a glittering lavender with an Arctic blue reflect. This is probably one of the prettiest ones in the whole palette. It's definitely purple. The next one is called Pink Heart, and it is a pearl white with a pink opal reflect. It's very pretty. I don't know how to explain it. It's white, but when you turn it in the light, it's just really, really pretty. And I actually found a dupe for this color, but I'll finish swatching these and then I will get into comparing them side by side. So the next one is called Lucky Clover, and this is a shamrock infused gold with canary yellow diamond reflect. Sounds crazy. So it's definitely green. This is the coolest highlighter I've ever seen. I don't think I've ever seen a green highlighter, so it's really cool. And the last one is called Blue Moon. This is a frozen blue with silver reflect. So you can see it's super blue, silvery, icy. This is probably Elsa's signature color, you know. Onto the dupe for Pink Heart. So again, I will swatch it. And the dupe for this is ColourPop highlighter in the color Monster. They're not 100% the same, but they are very, very similar. So again, they kind of have the same effect. When you move them in the light, they definitely look more pink. The only differences that I notice between the two is that the ColourPop ones is more opaque, which, I think for a crazy color, that's not always a good thing, but again, it just depends on the person. ColourPop's formula is definitely more creamy. If you've ever tried one of their Super Shock shadows or any of their stuff that comes in a case like this, you know what I'm talking about. I don't even know how to describe it. It's just a weird feeling. It's like a cross between powder and cream. I don't know. But yeah, the Anastasia one is definitely more powdery, and the sparkles in the Anastasia one, the particles seem to be bigger. Other than that, they are both pink and have pretty much the same shimmering effect. So if you wanted just a pink highlighter and you didn't want to buy the whole Moonchild glow kit, then you could just buy the ColourPop highlighter. So I've heard a lot of people say that this Moonchild palette isn't something that they could wear on the day-to-day because the colors are crazy. But the thing about this palette is that these colors aren't as opaque as the other glow kits. Like right now I have on, I think I either have on Blue Moon or Purple Horseshoe, I can't remember honestly. But I have that on and like my face doesn't look blue or anything. It's just whenever you turn your head in the light, I mean it's a different kind of highlight, so it's not anything crazy. I mean you could still wear it. You could definitely build it up to be as crazy as you want it to be. And I just put it on like I normally would any other highlighter. But overall, I mean I think they did a really good job on this palette. There's nothing like it out there that I've seen, so they're pretty unique colors and I know a lot of people like them, and I know a lot of people won't like it just because they are out there, but I mean to each their own. So I don't have much of a review on the glow kit in Sweets because it's the same exact formulation as the previous ones. The only thing different obviously is the colors. However, I am going to mention that the color Sassy Grape, they describe it as a lavender with a blue reflect, but I mean honestly it just looks pretty pink. I've seen a shit ton of people comment on their Instagram and be like, I just want Sassy Grape, I don't want to buy the whole thing. So lucky for you, I have found a dupe for this color. Again, just like the dupe I talked about a minute ago, I didn't go out and buy it. I already had it and it was just luck, I guess. So anyways, here's Sassy Grape. You can see it's really pretty. And surprisingly, the dupe for it is the same dupe for Pink Heart. It is ColourPop's highlighter in the shade Monster. And I know they look super different in the pans, but once you put them on, they're really, really similar. So again, you can see they are very close. So the main difference between the two is that the Anastasia one is a lot more shimmery than the other one, but again they are very similar in color. So if you just wanted to get Sassy Grape, then I mean you could just get ColourPop and try out Monster if you don't want to buy the whole thing, because I know the other colors are more of your typical highlighter colors, so you probably already have something that's really close to them, so that's just an option. So thank you guys for watching my video. Let me know if you liked it, and I will see you next time.